This is the full video. Remembering my rescue bird Baby Metal Monkey and my rock and roll buddy D, who drove us to listen to a concert September 2nd, 2021. Rock in heaven. Rock with peace, rock on forever.
I can't scream.
Oh, by the way, I gotta remind you I'm recording. How you doing there, best friend?
My bangs.
Alright, there you go. What do you think? Is that good music? Yeah, that's good music. That's good music.
Moron. 5? Standing right there.
Oh, listen to that. You can hear that, hey? Ooh, you like that music, don't you, baby? She likes it. She's so sweet, man. She likes that.
Oh, you can hear him talking.
So this is Baby Metal Monkey's first concert, and this is my friend Dee. Say hi, Dee.
Hi,
And Baby Metal Monkey's got her first concert, and if you look over there, that's the concert area. And we're just going to have a quick listen. Come on, guys.
She's loving it.
Yeah, she loves the music. When they get... She'll be up there. One day, right? One day, one day. She likes it. She's having fun.
Video.
Can you see her?
You're dancing, baby monkey. Baby metal monkey. I know. I keep saying, you'll hear how I keep calling her name.
Baby
Little
metal
baby.
monkey.
Hey, monkey baby. Right on. Good song.
I know, right?
Good song. Love you, Adam. Little monkey. Little metalhead. That little baby monkey. No, baby metal monkey. That's Soda with Baby Metal Monkey, her pigeon. She loves concerts. Good song. Love you, Adam. Little monkey. Little metalhead. That little baby monkey. No, baby metal monkey.